Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Arms by the Paper Kites. We'll start by setting up your guitar correctly, then dive into the fundamental chords. Next, we'll explore the beautiful fingerpicking technique that defines this song. Finally, I'll guide you through the song's structure and offer tips for practicing the lead guitar parts. Let's get started and bring this lovely tune to life. To begin, place your capo on the 3rd fret of your guitar. This sets you in the correct key for the song. The main chords you'll need are C, F major 7, G, and a minor. Focus on cleanly forming each chord and practicing smooth transitions between them. Your guitar should be in standard tuning, E a D G B E, to match the original recording. These chords form the backbone of the entire song. The heart of Arms lies in its delicate fingerpicking. For the intro and verses, you'll use a specific pattern, often involving the 5th, 4th, and 2nd strings for the C chord, and similar patterns for the F major 7 and G. Concentrate on plucking these strings clearly with your thumb and fingers. Practice slowly at first, ensuring each note rings out. Incorporate subtle hammer-ons and pull-offs to capture the song's authentic feel. The song's structure is straightforward, typically moving through an intro, verses, and choruses. Break the song down into these smaller sections and practice each one until it feels comfortable. Aim for a consistent tempo of approximately 70 beats per minute. Listening to the original recording by the Paper Kites frequently will help you internalize the rhythm and overall feel, making your performance more expressive and accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.